Let's see.
Another SVR. Dang.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette, Greene, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Northeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Waynesburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Uniontown, Monessen, California, Charleroi, Bentleyville, Brownsville, Fredericktown, Millsboro, Perryopolis, Jefferson Borough, North Belvernon, Spears, Isabella, Belvernon, Ellsworth, Linwood, Pricedale, West Brownsville, Roscoe, Deemston, Cokeburg, and Fayette City. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.